Hello traders, this is Ivan. We are trading here live with new latest engulfing strategy. So it is a strategy based on engulfing pattern. So here we have one example. Not the best one because I was very late here entering the trade. So this is engulfing candle. And you will be always alerted that you get it, and then you should, according to our simple method, we have to enter the trade at the open of the next candle, but only if it is at least 1-2 pips over the closing of this engulfing candle. So we would enter somewhere here, but I was a little bit late, not little bit, maybe 30 minutes, and we lost a lot of pips. So we should enter, we should enter somewhere here. So 2-3 pips over the closing of that engulfing candle. So we would make, I don't know, 50 pips or so. But I open it now 10-15 minutes ago when I wake up, so it is here. But it is just an example, and you see it is close to be into the money. So this is engulfing candle. It means the candle which engulf previous one totally, fully. And you will get signal, and you see, you wait that it goes little bit down after this candle, engulfing candle, and enter the trade. You see what you will make. Of course, in that case here, you should have this in red, like here we have in green. You see, this is the first condition, and with this condition you can go to trade. This is not problem. The second condition and third condition are, if you want to be even more safe. So what is these two conditions? The engulfing candle must be the biggest one in last 6 minimum, or 10, but 6 is okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the space on the left, it is free. This is the third condition. If you have all this, then you're absolutely safe. So here you will see, if we enter the trade, we'll make money. So here also, it is the biggest candle in the last 6. We have this green, and you can enter the trade. The most important is that you have this. The second condition about the size of candle is okay, welcome, but even without this you can enter the trade. You see, we would be in the money. So here you see we have also a signal with this index, Great Britain index, stock index, but this candle is not bigger, and even we don't have here the confirmation in red. So for example, this is not valid signal. This is not valid signal because we don't have even this, and this is most important. But if we don't have it, we'll wait. The rule is that you wait one candle to get this confirmed. So if you don't have now in 1 minute and 50 seconds in red, you can wait 1 hour or one candle, or here we are on 4 hours. 4 hours or next candle you can wait for confirmation. If you get it in next one candle or 4 hours, you open the trade. If not, forget this. Here, one example, it is okay, big candle, the biggest one, the last 6, and here you will open the trade if you have this confirmed. So this is the rules, basic rules. You see, this is going into the money. You can use this on all assets. The time frames I recommend is 4 hours daily, but you can trade even on one hour or sometimes 15 minutes, but the best results are here. You see here, engulfing candle, and if you have this, you will open the trade like here. So I must say, you don't trade every signal. You must have a confirmation. So it is not just to get signal and trade. You must have confirmation with this. And if you have a good setup that, like here, the candle is the biggest one in last 6 and the space on the left, then it is fantastic. So here you will enter the trade, but only if you have this in red. Euro stock we already so when you get these alerts, it is only alert to prepare yourself. Until you don't see the arrow signal, it is not confirmed. So we get alert that it was possible to get the alert, but you don't trade just like that. You see, it is possibility that we'll have this, but we don't trade until you see, guys, you must see the arrow, this kind of arrow. When you get the arrow, you have enough time to prepare yourself. So it is not every signal good like this. Yes, we get a signal, but most probably here we had not confirming here, and this, you see, is not valid. It should go up, and then only we'll take a trade. So just follow these simple rules. Okay, this is also not good signal. Where we have something, for example, this is okay signal, and this, we have big candle, we have arrow. If we had this 70%, we would take a trade here, and it would be a fantastic signal. So not every signal is to be traded. You must be patient and wait for this confirmation. This is number one and most important. You can trade even only with this. But if you have lucky that you have a bigger candle than last 6 or 10, and the space on the left, this is very safe. But here, okay, I wasn't here 6-7 hours ago to take a trade here. You see this, our trade, even we are late, we should enter here, somewhere here, it is going in the money. Why I am all talking to this? Because today we have pre-order price still valid, and it is contact me, and many of you ask me why didn't I put it here. Okay, I always like that you contact me, that I see about you. If you are my subscriber, previous customer to get better price. So in this case I will give you to see what is the price of pre-order. It is still valid today. It is 59 euro. 59 euro for this. But if you want in package, engulfing expert advisor latest version V3, V4, V3, you can get both for 69. So engulfing EA and indicator and strategy. This is 69 for both. This is my bonus. And you will get unlimited number of licenses, both. So it is for both. So it is fantastic possibility. You see here we get good signal, and you see how we would get signal. This is engulfing, and we'll enter here and doom. Expert advisor will open only the trades with all free conditions. So it should be the biggest one and free space. But here you see it is not the biggest one, so here EA will not enter the trade. But we can enter the trade with our manual strategy, because I said that the confirmation is this confirmation is most important. And if you don't have this, the biggest one and left side, still you can enter the trade. But expert advisor will take only with all conditions. So EA will be taking super safe, all free conditions confirmed trade. You see here we don't have confirmation here, and we would not take a trade here. We need at least this one. So 59 euro, only this. And if you want expert advisor, it will cost you only 10 euros. So both 69. This is a pre-order price for today. So you see the date, it is still valid today. So guys, it would be all. Bye bye.